Canada is the country in many things, many places. It's the country in many races, many people. No matter where we live, no matter where our place is, Canada is waiting for you. Today we're going to study Have Better. We use had better plus the infinitive without to give advice. Although had is a past form of have, we use had better to give advice about the present or future. For example, you'd better tell her everything. I'd better get back to work. We'd better meet early. The negative form is had better not. For example, you'd better not say anything. I'd better not come. We'd better not miss the start of his presentation. We use had better to give advice about specific situations, not general ones. If you want to talk about general situations, you must use should. For example, you should brush your teeth before you go to bed. I shouldn't listen to negative people. You should dress more properly for the office. When we give advice about specific situations, it is also possible to use should. For example, you shouldn't say anything. I should get back to work. We should meet early. However, when we use had better, there's a suggestion that if the advice is not followed, that something bad will happen. For example, you'd better do what I say or else you would get into trouble. I'd better get back to work or my boss would be angry with me. We'd better get to the airport by 5 or else we may miss the flight. Which one is the correct form I had better? 1. He'd better do it or else he'll get into trouble. 2. I do it better. 3. We'd waited for them. 4. I should make all tasks on my work. The correct answer is number 1. He'd better do it or else he will get into trouble. Had better is applied as an advice. 2. I do it better. It is the contraction of would. I would do it better. 3. We waited for them. Apostrophe D is the contraction of had in the past perfect. We had waited. 4. I should make all tasks on my work. It's a generalization. Explore the website of Canada Smart Mind. You can join yourself, learn English, French, and the Canadian immigration process. Check the links below. Make a difference. That's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you again next time.